I'm going to show you on this video how you can edit mobile view on your website builder from Hostinger. This way, what you edit on the mobile view doesn't have to affect your desktop view. And this is really interesting because you don't want a super long page for mobile, or maybe you don't want to display some elements on mobile, and that is possible with Hostinger's builder. So let me show you how right now. What's up everyone, I'm going to show you Hostinger's mobile builder. Now before we get started with this video, I want to show you their great shared hosting plan that they have available right now, and it's in a discount, and there's an extra discount coupon code that you want to check out. So head on over to hosting, check out web hosting, and in web hosting you're going to view all their plans that they have available. And in this case I'm going to show you the most popular one so you can see the discount that you can apply. So let's go ahead and grab this one, and once you're here you want to select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. So in this case, I recommend 48 months. You lock in the lowest price, plus the renewal price is also lower. Plus you're good to go with 48 months. Now, right now the total is $167, but if you apply my coupon code, which is SaaS Master, it's gonna drop down to $150 with 77 cents. So use that coupon code. Now, to edit a website on mobile view and desktop view, let me show you how. So first of all, jump over to your panel, go into websites, and in websites, we're gonna create a new website. Let's go ahead and select a hosting plan that I have available. I'll select the plan. I'll start now. I'll select create a new website. In this case, I'll use Hostinger's builder with AI. Let's go ahead and select it. And in this case, we're going to select our domain. But if you don't want to do that right now, you can go ahead and choose a domain later. So you can build a site and then lock the domain that you want to use it for. Okay, here's our website that we can start editing. Now, the reason I want to show you this video is because what you edit on mobile view does not affect what you do on desktop. And the reason for this is that the elements you might make them different, make them a little bit more compact, and that would be a great idea for mobile view. So this is the desktop view, check it out. And this is the mobile view. Now, what changes I make right here won't affect my desktop view. So let's just say that this button, we want to move it to the right because maybe I don't want it in the center, I want it more on the top. I'm gonna move this image to the top and we're gonna make this a little bit shorter, okay? So the site doesn't have to be as long on mobile view. Now, let's go back into desktop. You can see that the button's still in the same place. The image has the same width, the same height, etc., same margins, but on mobile view, it's different. We have a different layout now because I made some changes. Now I can start making changes here to the things that I want to move. For example, this one, I'll keep it in the center. And again, I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so it's not as long. And again, let's go back into mobile view. Everything looking fine there. Now, let's go ahead and preview this. Let's go into preview. Here we go. This would be a live site if we publish this. And if I go into mobile view, see, the changes are right here. So you can see it's a bit more compact. Changes have been made. Button has been moved to the right. Over here, the button has been moved to the center, and the rest of the site is untouched. I haven't moved anything, but it's super easy and useful to edit your website on mobile view and desktop view. Obviously, you don't want the same view for desktop and mobile because the layout has to be different. It has to be a little bit more compact, a little bit more appealing to the eye, and changes could be made this way. So this is the way that you would edit your mobile site on Hostinger. But there you go, a quick tutorial on how to do it, and that's a wrap.